Homelessness is rising disproportionately in Saskatoon. The 2022 report shows there were 550 people without a roof over their heads, and more than 90% of them are Indigenous.
Well, what's different this time around is that we have such a higher rate, and I believe there's many more than 550 homeless out there right now. It's how do we change it? We need to find some way to house people that meets their needs, not our needs.
Bister says it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. She says programs need to be personalized for those who want to be housed and those who don't. The need for mental health and addiction services should also be considered.
Cancel that SIS program so landlords can receive the rent and utilities, because those are two of the biggest barriers to housing.
Advocates say changes to Saskatchewan's social assistance program are also contributing to the problem. The Saskatchewan Income Support Program was meant to make people more self-sufficient, but some believe it's left many people scrambling for help. Rather than having rent checks paid directly to their landlords, the new program gives people a monthly check to pay their utilities, food, and rent bills. Advocates say people on the new program are being set up to failure.
When I see it every day, of course it affects me.
86% of those without a home are also dealing with substance abuse issues.
It's a sad number, but the reality is it's probably higher than that. When people are self-reporting their addiction, often people underreport because of the other barriers that they face if they admit that they're struggling with addiction.
Denny says rental housing in Saskatoon costs too much for people on social assistance. Advocates are calling for affordable and safe housing, along with the essential supports and programs. Denny also wants to see better transit that would allow people to get to the places they need to access those services. Ashwarya Duda, CBC News, Saskatoon.